So as always, YouTubers, my first stop is Kewadin Casino just over the bridge in St. Ignace, and this next one is either my next RV or some guy who always liked fire trucks and camping as a kid and living out his dream. The next stop is Christmas, another Kewadin Casino. This one is free. Free is always good. When I was here last time, I lost my Progressive Industries surge protector, and here's the new one, showing you how it works and showing you how I lock it up to keep it safe from grabbing hands. There are many different ways to RV. I actually was considering staying at Bay Furnace Campground, but the park was closed already. They're putting a new bridge in. A lot of people like to go south, but I like the fall colors, so here's going to be some pictures of fall colors and some music. Wild turkeys. See them moving? Big ones. Trying to find a way not to walk through the lake again. It's pretty cold. Alright guys, close to the road, I can hear it. Alright, I didn't know that was there. This is a restaurant right across from the casino. I've heard it's good, I've heard it's bad, and I've heard it's good again. We get to the campground right there, across from White Pine Hotel, and there's the RV. This free place ends up filling up, and a lot of people always wonder why I use power in my Class B. Well, I'm not the only one that likes free power, I guess. The Yoop. I got Bay Furnace Campground all to myself. Oh, they're fixing that bridge. Closed for the season. It's overcast, but I haven't brought the rain yet. And that's Grand Island. What was it, a month ago? Month and a half? I was out there riding a bike, sweating. Now, first day of pants. I could have got away with shorts. It was 72 yesterday. I think it's about 65 today. I think you guys were heading there anyways. I didn't mean to scare you off. New bridge coming in. There's another case for saying, park's closed. The moose out front should have told you. Anybody? Anybody? You're right. think the light's catching it. Furnace Lake. Right by the casino. That water's moving pretty good. Hope you enjoyed this quick video and that you have a great and wonderful day.